Well, it is August 29th, 2025, and today I want to share with you a recently released AI image generator tool that is way better than ChatGPT for everyday non-technical users. Now, this is not a comparison between Midjourney, some of the ideograms, some of the ones that you need to kind of learn and do, but if you're looking for quick, realistic images, Google just dropped nano-banana. That's the internal code word. It's also Google 2.5 flash image. Gemini 2.5 flash image is the term. But nano-banana is the internal. I like nano-banana compared to Gemini flash 2.5 image. Nano-banana is bananas. And this just gives you a window into what's possible just with a simple text prompt. Okay, let's take a look. Here we go. So there's two ways you can access nano-banana. One with the Gemini app on your iPhone or Android. I have an iPhone and I have a folder here, and there's the Gemini app. That's the easiest, fast way to access it. Works great. I'm going to demo it here shortly. The other way is the desktop, and I'm going to show that to you next after I show you the mobile. So click Gemini, and what you want to do is when you click New Chat, there's the three dots that show here. You want to click Image, and then describe your image. It will create it from scratch, or I'll show you in the examples I have. I've uploaded certain images to do edits. One of the challenges ChatGPT had, it still does today at the time of this recording, is it cannot maintain image consistency if you upload an image and ask it to make some changes. So what I did, this process, so let me go through the history here. I'll show you a few things I've done. So I have uploaded my original headshot. Okay, this is my actual headshot. Okay, right up there. We go up there. Okay, so that's my real headshot, not AI, human headshot. So I said, change my blazer color to something different that complements the shirt. Again, you can play with the prompts, but you get the idea here. Okay, so it basically gave me a nice little stripe, but it is an original. This is where ChatGPT struggles. It changes my face as well. It could not maintain that. So you can make specific changes to images that you have a little bit more control on, and it does it great, okay, in many cases. And I love the fact that they put the star here showing it's an AI image. I think authenticity is key. I love that. And then now I say, okay, make it a little bit more sophisticated. How about a sophisticated charcoal blazer? Look at that, right? And the beauty is, if I like a certain image of myself, in this case, I'm showing you personal, professional pictures, you can add clothing to it and not have to change the clothing and take a picture. That's the power of this, right? So it's easy to do. Go do that if you're seeing this. Okay, so here's one. How about a light blue? It's just changing a bunch of stuff, man. It looks great. And I can ask it, great, another option. Here we go. White on a charcoal blazer. Looking like a stud, if I might say. How about a light lavender shirt with a sophisticated charcoal gray? Look at that. So that's the first one. How about a maroon? Well, it lost track of me, so I had to tell it, this is my picture, and then it went back to regularly scheduled programming. So that's great. Okay, that's one. Let me show you a few more examples. Now, let's say you want to pencil sketch. I talked about this early on with ChatGPT. Clearly, you upload a picture, create a pencil sketch, boom, you get it. Okay, that works great. Let me also show you a couple of things where you can brighten the room lighting. For example, if you take pictures, you can have it. Let me show you all the things I did with this. I put a picture up there, improve the lighting to brighten the room. It did a little bit of that, but I said you didn't do more. So there's a little bit of back and forth, but it is not this mega prompt you got to learn. It's just conversation, which I think makes a lot of sense, and it's easy to embrace if you were using this that is a non-technical user. Plus, important, this is free. So if you have a Google account and the Gemini app, you can do this. I believe there's 100 image edits per day, and then if you get the Google for Workspace, Gemini for Workspace, which is a paid account, you get a little bit more, but this is available for free, and it's better than what I see with ChatGPT today. So here's another one I did. So you can make some modifications to the room. So I basically said, in this room picture, there's 2 frames, remove the frame on the wall, and center the one that is on the left on the wall. So boom, it just centered it. So you can make some specific enhancements. You can change paint colors, all of that fun stuff you could do, okay? So nano-banana, I believe, as of this recording, is the best image generator for non-technical people before you take the big leap into tools like Midjourney and Ideogram. But encourage you to play with it, and in the comments, let me know what you think. And if you are loving this content, obviously subscribe and follow the YouTube channel. Let me end with the web version. Obviously, mobile's great. It works phenomenal. And you want to just kick off any image stuff with this, select the image dot right up there. So if I were to go back out to a new chat, and then you want to click that right there, image, and then it knows you're in the image generator mode. Now, let me go to a desktop version. Where do you access this? You go to aistudio.google.com. And when you get there, you basically, on the right side, you will see, if it's not selected, you want to select this Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. That's the nano-banana. And now it works the same way. If you type it in and say run, it will generate the prompts or the output based on what you've asked. So give it a go. Nano-banana is bananas. Until next time.